Across our urban landscapes, a growing challenge surges beneath our feet. Inadequate stormwater management leads to frequent flooding, waterlogging and infrastructure damage, bringing cities to a standstill and burdening development with rising costs. In 2010, Bangkok faced one of the worst floods in a century. A city submerged, a system overwhelmed. But at crisis came clarity, the urgent need for resilient stormwater infrastructure. To fortify the city's defences, the Bangkok Metropolitan Administration partnered with one of the global leaders in fluid management solutions, Kirloskar Brothers Limited. Together, they set out to reimagine flood control with innovation, scale and strength. At the heart of this transformation lies an engineering breakthrough. Kirloskar's Concrete Volute Pumps. Designed for large-scale flood control, these pumps deliver 90% efficiency over a long life, with 30% lower capital costs and minimal maintenance. Compact, vibration-free and ultra-reliable, they're proven across global installations to perform when it matters most. The Bang Su's stormwater pumping station is a bold response to Bangkok's flooding challenges. Stormwater is collected from 3 major locations and directed through a 6.4 kilometer long tunnel into a central sump. Six massive concrete volute pumps, each capable of discharging 10,000 liters per second. Then lift this water through a 400-meter tunnel equipped with a patented siphon system. From there, the water flows into the Klong Bang Su Canal and finally discharges into the Chao Phraya River safely, efficiently and uninterrupted. Following the successful execution of the Bang Su stormwater pumping scheme, KBL has now secured the prestigious Thai Watana stormwater pumping scheme in Bangkok. This new project will feature 4 high-capacity concrete volute pumps and patented KBL siphon system USA, ensuring efficient and automated stormwater evacuation for the city. With these projects, Bangkok has taken a monumental step towards becoming flood resilient, and Kirloskar Brothers Limited is proud to have played a pivotal role in this transformation.